Welcome to our comparison of two leading smartphone gimbals, the DJI Osmo Mobile 7 and the hohem iSteady Mobile Plus kit. In this video, we will dive into their specifications, features, and user experiences to help you make an informed choice for your videography needs. Let's get started. The DJI Osmo Mobile 7 is priced at $89, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking for a reliable gimbal. In contrast, the hohem iSteady Mobile Plus kit comes at a higher price of $109, reflecting its additional features and capabilities. Depending on your budget and needs, this price difference may influence your decision. The DJI Osmo Mobile 7 offers essential features such as Active Track 7.0 and shot guides, making it user-friendly for beginners. However, the hohem iSteady Mobile Plus kit stands out with its ultra-wide-angle mode and built-in magnetic fill light, providing more versatility and creative options for content creators. When it comes to battery life, the DJI Osmo Mobile 7 lasts up to 10 hours on a single charge, which is decent for most users. However, the hohem iSteady Mobile Plus kit offers an impressive 13 hours of battery life, allowing for extended shooting sessions without the need for frequent recharging. This could be a significant factor for those planning longer filming days. In conclusion, both the DJI Osmo Mobile 7 and the hohem iSteady Mobile Plus kit have their strengths and weaknesses. The DJI Osmo Mobile 7 is a lightweight and portable option ideal for beginners, while the hohem iSteady Mobile Plus kit offers advanced features and longer battery life for more experienced users. Consider your filming needs and budget when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.